Okay. So I made this Topical Authority GPT type thing, but this is based for individual articles, not for like site-wide type things. Okay. Um, to create a good topical map for just about anything so far. But someone asked me about can this be used for astrology type things? So let's see what will happen. So we click, please tell me what to do. And it says, please share with me with your topic. It does not need to be a single word. Someone asked me about that. That's just a small example there. But I'm going to put in Mercury in the astrological signs to see what this comes up with. And let's see what it does. Here are some categories. Any of these seem of interest I could work out?
Sure, you can do number 2.
Number 2. So we'll say number 2. Would you like to? Yeah, let's do that. Let's say yes. Of course.
Yes.
Well, of course we do. Let's say next. Next. Would you like to explore any of the other categories that were up here?
Okay. Let's do, what was number 2?
That was number 2.
Okay. Let's do number 3 then.
Oops, we'll copy that whole thing.
Do you want to expand number 6? This is good.
Yeah, let's create some titles on this.
A keyword list would be good for that. So we could take one of those deeper, couldn't we?
Mm-hmm.
So How about Mercury and Leo speeches, the third one down? I'm not sure where to go next. This is pretty in-depth. This is amazing. Wow.
I didn't put bad words in there to have it not used, you know.
That is good.
Hey, Corey. Hey. Not bad.
Mm-hmm. Positive sentiment.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Was there any negatives at all? No?
Nope.
Nice. So that's what can be
That's
done with
great.
this little bot here. And I will stop this recording. Guys, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'll leave a link down below for this bot.